It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hi, my name's Amelia, and this is called an exercise machine. E-X-E-R. But you know, look at it, it's pretty boring. So that's why we need a little bit of motivation to get us working using this machine. And I think I know what to do. But you know what the biggest problem is? The fact that I can just walk on here, do some exercise, and then walk off whenever I want to. There isn't even any consequence. I could be there for 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool. But I couldn't hear anything you're saying down with the damn camera maraca in your hands. Damn amateurs.
You're not actually gonna lose any weight there, or even do any exercise, any meaningful exercise. So the question is, how can we create some sort of motivation, some sort of incentive to keep on riding this thing so you actually do some exercise? And so this is what I made. Let me show you its features. This might look pretty complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Basically how it works is we're reading distance data from this distance sensor, going to this Arduino, determining how fast we're actually spinning, and if we slow down, we're going to trigger this relay, causing this gel blaster to shoot. And I've got a laser in there, of course, to point, and then I've also got this buzzer in here so that you know when you're gonna die. But then how are we gonna know how fast we're riding so that we know when to trigger the gel blaster? As this exercise machine is rolling up and down, oh, that's weird. It does one full rotation, and this little platform goes up and down. We can use that to measure how fast the wheel is going using this guy. This is an ultrasonic sensor, which senses distance away from this point. What we can do is put it right underneath there. We'll be able to tell when it's done a full rotation because the distance between this point and that point will be less than a certain height. Then you can determine that is a full rotation. Now, if you're still confused, this very detailed, professional drawing should help you. So the next thing is to write the code that will actually make all the hardware work together. This is some of the code. Alright, so I've managed to get the code to the point where I can actually detect how many times the revolutions are happening. So you can look on the screen, see the single number there, that's the 1. If I move this back and forth, it's counting the revolutions. That's what it's going to look like that. Yeah. Alright, so this is the setup. We've got the gel blaster mounted on this little tripod very securely. Yeah, that should do. And then we have this sensor here, which is what will detect our movement, or rather our exercise. Just gonna try it out now. So let's point this towards here, do a few, just pretend you're pedaling along, and then you slow down, and then is it working? Hold on, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Gel blasters don't hurt that much though, so it should be fine. Alright, now we're going to test it. This is the gel blaster exercise encouraging device. Let's try and turn it on. It's now armed. If I stand on this, I cannot stop pedaling, otherwise I'll get shot. Oh no. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Oh, it's actually gonna shoot me. Alright, let's slow down. I gotta keep running. It's pretty effective. It's targeted right at my butt. the hand again. Well, that was a stupid idea. Whose idea? See those red marks? That's me trying to block the Joe balls from hitting my butt.